All right, folks, welcome to Advanced Market Profiles. So, to begin with, what's more important, technical edge or risk versus reward and risk management? What's the answer? If your answer was technical edge, you're wrong. If the answer is technical edge and risk to reward, risk management, are equal, you're also wrong. The answer is that risk to reward, sound money management is always going to outweigh the edge. Here's why. If you have a technical edge that produces a win rate of 25%, you only need 1 to 3 risk to reward to make money, right? Which means if you're wrong 8 out of 10 times, almost, you can make money, assuming you risk $1 in return of a $3 gain. If your edge produces for you a 33% win rate, you only need to risk $1 for $2 in return. 40%, 1 to 1.5, 50%, 1 to 1, 60%, 0.7 to 1. And the higher your win rate, obviously, the less you need to risk in terms of risk reward. Another thing is position sizing, right? Risk management. Let's assume you have a system which gives you a 90% win rate, right? So you win 9 out of 10 trades. And then you have bad risk management. So you bet too much, you risk too large. I don't like to use the word bet. So you risk too large, and then all the 9 trades are wiped out in one. That in itself is enough proof that technical edge is irrelevant. All that matters is risk to reward and risk management, right? 2 different things. This is how much you risk for how much you gain in return, and that is how much percent you risk per trade, right? And that I'll touch on later on. But for now, understand that the technical edge, whatever the turtle soup, ICT, SMC, same thing, supply and demand, Elliott wave, Wyckoff, harmonic, whatever this is, it doesn't matter if you don't have a good risk management protocol, right? So always keep this in mind when you're looking for enigma, when you're looking for the next great thing. There is no next great thing. The best thing there is turtle soup. The way I teach it and the compilation I've made of it, which you're watching right now, right? From chapter 1 through 7. Everything else is inferior. Everything. And I don't care who tells you what. I don't care whose mentor agrees or disagrees with me. I couldn't care less. Because once you have a conviction of what the truth actually is, then you don't need anyone else's opinion, right? When it's a fact you can demonstrate, which I have demonstrated to you just now, is that edge is irrelevant, then that gives you 2 things. It gives you a sense of peace, and it halts the wild goose chase of looking for the Holy Grail, obviously. and it allows you more focus on perfecting one system, right? Because it's not that important. As long as I can manage my risk, I'll make money. Now we have that out of the way.